Hello, and welcome to N-spire Rocks. My name is Sydney, and I am a Cadet Girl Scout. Thank you so much for being a part of my ongoing Silver Award project. The title of my Silver Award project is N-spire Rocks. The N stands for a nature scene to be painted on one side of the rock, and the spire stands for an inspirational word written on the opposite side of the rock. Your N-spire rock was designed by a resident of the Axe community. With the materials in front of you, you will make an N-spire rock bag for someone in the Axe community as well. Inside every N-spire rock bag is a painted rock, an unpainted rock, and a mini postcard with a personalized note. The painted rock and mini postcard you keep. On the unpainted rock, you are going to paint a nature-inspired scene of the season you are currently in, and on the opposite side, you are going to write an inspirational word such as hope or love. On the mini postcard, you may write a short note greeting the receiver of the N-spire rock bag. The concept for N-spire Rocks started with a conversation with Miss Joanne Snyder of the Fort Washington Estates Axe community. She suggested an activity that would promote social interaction, light exercise, and improve memory. I enjoy painting because it is a creative outlet. Before we get started, do you need some ideas? Here are some inspirational words such as be bold, prevail, grow, and be strong. Here are some seasonal nature scenes for fall, winter, spring, and summer. N-spire Rocks will be an ongoing art project within the Axe communities. Your seasonal painted N-spire rock and postcard message will be delivered to a resident at another Axe community, sending seasonal greetings and inspiration. This activity will increase interaction by sharing art rocks with others, as well as promote exercise by introducing rock yoga, also referred to as bouncing rocks, using deep breathing techniques to balance rocks. A snippet of the Bouncing Rocks yoga is as follows. As you are balancing your rocks, you may recite positive affirmations. Here I am saying hope, breathe in, breathe out. Joy, another breath in and out. Thankfulness, breathe in and out. Love. Last breath in and out. Thank you so much for participating in my Silver Award project, N-spire Rocks. Let's get inspired.